Alrighty, so now I'm going to start and I go, oh no, I don't know two angles. Oh, that means that I don't know that angle. Okay, so I'm going to jump straight to this whole law of sines thing and hope that it works out. Well, if I'm trying to find this, I need that side. Okay, that's good. And then I am going to look at this angle and notice that that's the opposite to this one. All right, so I am set up. I'm okay. I just need to label them. So let's make this angle A and this side A, and then I'm going to have this as angle B and side B. All right, so I'm going to just focus on the first part here. Okay, so I'm going to then have sine of A over side A is equal to sine of angle B over side B, and I'm going to plop in those numbers. So sine of angle A, well, angle A is 18 degrees, and side A is 30. And then for my B's, the angle B I don't know, so I'm going to put theta, and side B is 27. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cross multiply here. So I'm going to do the stuff going this way first. And then I'm going to have that equal to the stuff that goes this way. Alrighty, so I have 30 times sine of theta is equal to sine of 18 degrees times 27. Now, this sine theta thing, I got to get rid of everything else. So I have theta by itself, but I can't just get rid of the sine part yet because I have the 30 there. So I need to divide both sides by 30 so that this cancels out. And then once I've done that, I'll have sine of my angle is equal to sine of 18 degrees times 27 divided by 30. All right. But this is a problem because I have sine of the angle. It's not the same as the angle. And it's a very common mistake. So we need to make sure that we do the opposite of sine. Well, the opposite of sine is inverse sine, but this whole thing on the right-hand side is gross. So I'm going to turn that into one number first. So I'm going to throw that into my calculator. And just like the opposite of multiplication is division and the opposite of addition is subtraction, the opposite of sine is inverse sine. So that's the sine to the -1. And so I need to do that to both sides, just like everything else. And so that way, this sine to the -1 cancels out my sine, and all I'm left with on the left side is theta. And then I just need to type inverse sine into my calculator. Now that's a special button. You cannot just do sine to the -1. It's an actual button, so you got to find it. And I'm going to type this number in. And I get 16.15 degrees, which is, about 16.